Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Might Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to resize the table to your page on your LibreOffice writer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to resize the table in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. For an example, just going to insert a table first. I'm just going to insert a 3 to 3 table. So I just need to resize the table. So you can just use this option to resize the table. For an example, you just need to make the table like this. You can just resize it and you can just move everything. You can see now it's become a small table. We just need to make it bigger, so you can just resize it like this. So just click on the side and side angle. You can just resize the table like this. It's become bigger table. You can see, you can just fill the page size, or you can also adjust the size and to make it smaller like this. So you can just make it bigger or you can make it smaller. You can just resize the table by using the lines given on the rows and columns on your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Might Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.